of Team Coyote enthusiasts.
Now, what is it?
What is it? It is the latest in high-performance electronics.
Is it?
Now, I showed you some bit of prototypes, I think.
Yeah,
You
we
don't
have
have to
seen
worry
prototypes.
about. You don't have to worry about prototypes anymore, baby.
No, because they're production.
They are production.
What do you got there? What's
What
that?
have I got here?
What is it?
I'm not sure what
Is
it
that-
is,
is
but
that
I
a-
like it. It's a little towel or something.
Oh, it's a towel.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's.
What are you
Well,
doing?
you could have put it like it's like going to the jewelers and you get a bit of jewelry.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The nice little velvet cloth. They got to have respect.
Okay. You got the Crest 8,
8-scale speedy,
200 amps.
200 amperages.
Yeah, that's pretty.
These have
spectacular, isn't
been
it?
run and tested at the moment by Anthony Coretti. He's
Yes.
gearing up for the South Australian state titles next weekend.
Okay.
And yeah, he's super happy with it. He was out testing on the weekend,
Mhm.
going really good.
Right.
The best thing about these Coyote ESCs that we can tell so far
Mm.
is the efficiency.
Right.
Not only the power and the tunability, but the efficiency.
Mhm.
The run times seem to be up about 20%.
20%.
20%. So whereas you were struggling for runtime of 10 minutes, because the
Yes.
finals for these big buggies are 10 minutes.
Yes.
Nick Lewis tells me that the same battery, same motor, everything, just with the ESC, 12 minutes,
Right.
13 minutes.
Wow. Okay.
So they can comfortably do a warm-up lap,
Mhm.
comfortably start the race and push it to the end knowing that they'll get there.
Okay.
So that's 4S,
Mhm.
8-scale, 4-pole motor, full censored.
Right.
Yep.
Yep.
Here we have the Crest X or the Crest 10.
Yes. For
This
10 scale,
is the 10th scale weapon of choice.
160 amps.
160 amps. Team Coyote Australia has recently expanded its newest driver,
Mhm.
Sandy. You might know Sandy.
Mhm.
Sandy has in fact picked himself up one of these, put them in his SP1, and he will be campaigning at the 110th On-Road Nationals at TFTR.
How exciting is that? That's soon too, isn't it?
So
That's the
we
end of
had this
November.
SP1 on last week, didn't we?
We did.
It's going to look beautiful in there. The teal and the rose gold, and it's going to be a good looking package. And Sandy, being a local TFTR boy, is sure to be fast.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what he's driving. He can drive a TTO2 around there pretty quick, I reckon.
He would.
Especially if it had a Coyote Crest 10 in it.
Mm.
So that is really cool. So these are available for sale. I'm not going to open them because there's not that many left.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I
We'll
want
keep them fresh, right?
We'll keep them fresh for people, right? The prototype gears are all off in the team's cars getting tested and run, so I don't have them to do unboxings.
Yes. But get into it because people are already picking these up.
Yeah.
You
What
got
else?
more?
I have got more. Well, we got the program box.
Yeah.
I do have one of those open.
Ah,
I'm not sure if I've showed that before.
I think you have.
We had the program box.
Yeah, I reckon.
So that's available because you can either program your new speed controller with both of them use the same program box.
Yes.
With the program box. 4-button, but look at the size of it. It's like
easy to see, easy to use.
The crusty old 1/8 off-roaders. That's stereotypical, but it's true. It's pretty easy.
Fair enough.
And
there's an option.
There is an option. The Bluetooth module.
Bluetooth module. All right. Let's get
Much smaller. And for testing and stuff, yeah, you could leave that mounted in the car or else you just plug it in.
And so you just download the BTune app onto your phone.
Yep. So you go to the App Store.
Yeah.
And the Team Coyote has a BTune app and it's fully just over the phone. Boom.
Right.
Over the phone.
Excellent.
You can't leave it plugged in during competition, I don't believe, because of live telemetry and tuning, which isn't allowed. However, you can plug and play in the pits to your heart's desired.
There we go. Where else you got?
And lucky people that get a combo from us, as in a speed controller and a program box or speed controller and a program module, will get this beautiful little carry case.
It's very smooth, isn't it?
Super smooth. Silky.
Isn't it?
Do you like it?
I do. Can I take this one home?
Well, if you buy a speed controller and a tuning module, why
Oh,
not?
okay. That sounds pretty fair, doesn't it?
It does sound very fair. So if you want to talk about it, call in store, jump online, check out our YouTube. We did some bit of unboxing and stuff, I believe, on the units when they first, the prototype samples arrived. I can comfortably say that the prototype units are, in fact, exactly the same firmware and software as the prototype units, as the commercially available units.
It's got a battery checker in it too.
Battery checker in it as well, yes.
There you go.
Yeah.
Goes up to 8 cells.
8 Celeris.
That's
The
handy, isn't
Speedy
it?
doesn't. The Speedy is 2 to 4.
Yes, but this itself,
Yeah.
it's a useful tool.
Is a useful tool.
Yeah, nice.
Battery checker and program Boxeroo.
Right.
That
Your
is
baggage.
the latest from Team Coyote and Team Coyote Australia.
Oh wow.
Where Hearns is really really proud to have them on board.
Mm.
Really good product worldwide. Got some really fast team drivers.
Yes,
A
and there's
lot
more
of-
product coming, isn't there?
So the next product that will be available will be the range of lipos.
Yes.
The reason that we didn't get them in this time is because they weren't production ready after they'd been off for raw approval.
Mhm.
However, you will see some of Team Coyote Australia running them and representing. They are raw approved.
Mhm.
I just don't have any available for sale yet. But watch this space. In the next couple of weeks,
More
we
development.
should have some lipos.
Yes.
A couple of weeks after that, again, the motors are off. The mod motors are ready.
Mhm.
So the 4.5s, the 5s, 6.5, 8s, they're all ready.
Mhm.
But all the stock motors are off getting raw approved.
Right.
So once they're ready, well, then we'll have motors. So
Mm.
we'll have motors, batteries, speedies,
Mm.
and they will be expanding also, hopefully, into this brand new, I was speaking to them the other week, brand new charging technology that we've never seen before.
Right.
Nobody's ever done before. So, chargers
Special.
as well.